This video interrupts regularly scheduled videos for a special announcement. Are you ready? Here we go. This channel has surpassed 10,000 subscribers. Pretty cool. So before I get started, I just want to say thank you so much to each and every single one of you that have subscribed and followed along as I've shared my hobby and my passion for taking care of my lawn. I think that's awesome, I think that's incredible, and I wish I could thank each and every single one of you in person. And maybe one day that will happen. And I want to give a special thanks for those of you that have been following me since the very beginning. You know who you are, and I appreciate you so much. For those of you that are relatively new, welcome, thank you, and I appreciate you just as much as I appreciate everyone else. For those of you that are watching this that aren't subscribed, which is typically 90% of you, please consider subscribing. Now, with that being said, there's only one thing that I can do to adequately express Now, with that being said, there's only one thing that I can do to really express my gratitude, and that's to give back. So to say thank you, I have organized a special giveaway, and I have to say that there are companies that I have worked with here on this channel in the past and I'm currently working with that are just amazing partners and great friends and good people and great companies, and I have to highlight them and express my gratitude to them as well, not only for stepping up for this giveaway, but for helping me share my story with you and share my passion with you. I couldn't do it without these guys. So I'm going to leave every company's information, social media, website, down in the description below. Please go check them out, follow them, and show them some love as well. Now, for the prizes that you could win. Let's get right to it. Note card, cue card, whatever you want to call it. First, we have from All American Sharpener. They are giving away a sharpening kit. Next, from Green County Fertilizer, they're giving away a Build-A-Box, so 4 1-gallon bottles of your choosing. Details will be down below. Yard Mastery, well, I'm not sure what they're going to give away, to be honest. In fact, I'll let Brett tell you what that's going to be.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Jimmy wanted to give away some of the Yard Mastery stuff for some reason, so I am happy to give away Alan's things. But there's one catch. I'm gonna choose what you get, and I'm not gonna tell you. It's just gonna show up. You might get a Yard Mastery hat. You might get a Smells Like Success shirt. You might get a bag of broken fertilizer. I don't know, because I haven't decided yet. And Jimmy doesn't know either. So, see if these lights will turn on. Maybe. Hello? There we go. So, good luck. And we're glad to support the cause.
All right, moving on. ProPete is going to donate a 25-pound bag of fertilizer. Ecologel, the makers of Hydrotane, are donating a bundle pack, and that's going to include Hydrotane, Cytogrow, and Turfplex. HoseLink, you guys know about HoseLink. HoseLink is going to be donating a hose reel and an oscillating sprinkler. The Toro Company is donating a swag pack, $100 value. So there's going to be a lot of swag there. Pro Plugger is going to be donating a plugger tool. Spiker Spreaders is going to be donating a swag pack, as well as a handheld spreader. Flowzone is going to be donating a Typhoon 2.5 sprayer with a T-Jet adapter. And then I am going to kick in some of my merchandise. So hat, shirts, stickers, it's gonna be awesome. All the rules and everything that you need to know will be down in the description right below the subscribe button. After I've notified the winners will have 7 days to claim their prize. And you claim your prize just by emailing me your information. So I will reach out to you and get your information, and then you have 7 days. You're on the clock. And then as far as entering, you can enter by leaving a comment on this video. Make sure that you're subscribed, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. That will count as an entry for a prize. I will draw several winners from here. Head on over to my podcast channel, Cherish Each Moment Podcast. Subscribe over there and leave a comment on any video, any episode. Leave a comment and I will select a random video and random comments, and winner will be chosen from there. I'll also be giving away items on Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, head on over to Instagram at JimmyLewis_1, and I will pick some winners there, and those will be individual posts for those giveaways, so just keep an eye out for those. And then last but not least, subscribe to my email list. I will do a random choosing from that list, and someone will win from there as well. So there's multiple ways you can enter and have different chances of winning. So there you go. Quite the list of prizes, and thank you again to all of those companies for being willing to take part in this special event. And again, make sure that you're following them, show them some love. This wouldn't be possible without them. And of course, this wouldn't be possible without you. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. 10,000 times thank you. I'm excited for this. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Make sure you check all the rules down below. I wish you all the best of luck, and the winners will be notified, like I said, 7 days after they learn that they win, and I will choose winners in a few days. So that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this one. Thank you again, and we will return to regularly scheduled videos. Thanks again. I'll see you next time.